Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant and let's start with today's headlines. Cryptocurrencies extend fall a day after Fed rate move, Bitcoin above $19,000. Hong Kong seek capital to raise $500 million to invest in cryptocurrencies. Blockchain startup Hyperlane raises $18.5 million round led by Variant. Framework Ventures leads $24 million round for Web3 security platform Immunefi. Crypto exchange Coinbase secures registration from Netherlands Central Bank. South Korean Watchdog says $7.2 billion transferred overseas through crypto exchanges. Market maker Wintermute warns hacker to return funds or face legal action. Gem Digital commits $50 million to Parallel Chain Lab for L1 protocol development. Regulated fintech in Bahrain enables crypto payments with Binance. Cryptocurrencies extended fall in aftermath of the Federal Reserve rate hike and as other central banks adjusted their monetary policies. Bitcoin traded above $19,000. US stock traded mixed in opening trades with S&P 500 trading lower by 0.17% and tech-heavy Nasdaq slipping by 0.33%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fluctuated between gains and losses. Key averages plummeted at close Wednesday after the Fed's rate move. The Fed raised rates by another 0.75 basis point on Wednesday and signaled that there are more hikes to come. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, while speaking to reporters, said that taming inflation would involve incurring pain. Several central banks took monetary policy decisions on Thursday, including the Bank of England, which raised interest rates. The Swiss National Bank also lifted its key policy rate, moving it up to 0.5%, making it the last European central bank to exit negative rates. Bitcoin traded at around $19,080, down 1% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $1,290, down over 4.4% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded mixed. Sea Capital, a company established by Hong Kong billionaire Ed Cheng, reportedly intends to raise $500 million to invest in digital currencies, credit, and private equity over the next year and a half. Sea Capital plans to introduce a $200 million blockchain fund and distribute approximately $300 million into private equity and private credit strategies in 2023. Chegg revealed that the firm rejected the participation of other firms and angel firms in it at a seed stage because those had limited benefits. Hyperlane, a platform that helps developers connect applications across blockchains, has raised $18.5 million in a seed funding round led by crypto-focused investment firm Variant. The funding will be used for hiring, product development, and security, which includes bug bounties and additional audits. Other participants in the round include crypto financial services firm Galaxy Digital, Coin Fund, Circle, Figment, Blockdemon, Kraken Ventures, and NFX. Bug bounty security services platform Immunefi raises $24 million in a Series A round led by Framework Ventures. Other backers in the round were Electric Capital, Polygon Ventures, Samsung Next, P2P Capital, North Island Ventures, Third Prime Ventures, Lattice Capital, and Stratos DeFi. Immunefi focuses on bug bounty and security services for Web3 projects. Since its inception in December 2020, the firm has saved over $25 billion in users' funds. The Dutch central bank, De Nederlandsche Bank, that is DNB, has given cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase regulatory license, enabling it to provide crypto goods to customers and the business there. Once the EU's market in crypto asset, that is MiCA regulation, enters into force, Coinbase will be able to operate in the other 26 European Union member countries with approval from Dutch authorities. This week, the EU finalized the legislation entire language. According to Coinbase, registration or license applications are being submitted in a number of additional important markets. This comes after Coinbase rival companies such as Binance registered in France and Bitstamp in Italy in gaining regulatory approval in individual European countries this year. A $7.2 billion in abnormal foreign exchange transactions were discovered by South Korea's banking authority since June, the majority of which were made through cryptocurrency exchanges. Financial Supervisory Service discovered further abnormal money transfer totaling $680 million. Investigation into transfers from Hana Bank, Kookmin Bank, Non-Gup Bank, Shinhan Bank, Wori Bank, and 7 other banks around the nation are expected to be finished by the end of October. The majority of the funds were transferred to Hong Kong and 82% of the transfers were in US dollars. Last month, South Korea had detained 16 people for their involvement in illegal foreign exchange transaction worth $2 billion. Market-making firm Wintermute has sent a message over the Ethereum blockchain to the hacker that stole $160 million from the firm on Tuesday. Sent at midnight UTC on Thursday, the message told the hacker to return the funds by end of the day or else Wintermute would proceed to approach the authorities. It urged the hacker to accept a $16 million white hat bounty reward and return the remaining amount of nearly $144 million back to the Wintermute. If the stolen funds are not returned by the deadline, they will remove bounty offer and white hat label and proceed accordingly with the proper authorities and avenues. There has been no response from the hacker so far. Digital asset investment firm Gem Digital Limited has committed $50 million to finance Parallel Chain Labs following the launch of its mainnet and native token listing XPLL in Q4 2022. As a proof of stake, that is POS, Layer 1 protocol, Parallel Chain aims to bridge the infrastructure divide between centralized, that is CeFi, and decentralized finance, that is DeFi. The soon-to-be-launched Parallel Chain mainnet is open source and based on a POS consensus mechanism dedicated to maintaining a fair distribution of power. GEM's $50 million investment in a parallel chain is planned to be redirected to market expansion, community development, research and development, and funding of decentralized projects and decentralized app developers. EasyPay, an online payment platform regulated by the Central Bank of Bahrain, that is CBB, has partnered with the Binance Pay to enable crypto payments in the country. The newly launched crypto payment option will be available in more than 5,000 point of sale, that is POS terminals, and online payment gateway across Bahrain. Major local merchants and firms including Lulu Hypermarkets, Sharaf DG, Al Zain Jewelry, and Jasmees will be able to accept more than 70 cryptocurrencies as payment by scanning the QR code from Easy's POS using Binance app. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.